Do you know a bad landing page can destroy your conversions and can cost you a lot of dollars going in vain as your marketing investment? And according to some landing page stats in 2021, only the top 10 landing pages get a conversion of 11.45% or more, and the rest of them could not convert much due to some kind of designing flaws, inefficient content, or some other common mistakes. How to be a great digital marketer? Hi guys, my name is Shan, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 major mistakes that most marketers make with their landing pages that results in a very low conversions. And by the end of this video I'm going to share my special pro tip with you, that so that you can save your conversions and can have a maximized result. Okay, so just stay till the end. So as we all know, a landing page or a capture page can be a most valuable asset for your online business, as it can serve as a bridge between you and your potential customers. So clearly it is no brainer why your landing page should be attractive and precise, but sometimes many marketers, mostly beginners, get overwhelmed and make silly mistakes while creating landing pages for their business, which results in them losing all their conversions and ending their business before they even started growing. But don't worry, because here I have worked out my 5 most common mistakes on landing pages that you should avoid to increase your conversion rate. So now let's get started, but before that please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so that you won't miss any of my videos in near future. Now the first most common mistake that top in this list is making it too complicated. As I said, young marketers or entrepreneurs can actually easily overwhelm with everything they want to put on their landing pages and end up making it too complicated. Okay, like I don't think you should expect people to perform too many actions on a landing pages. So creating a whole process that requires too many clicks or navigation can make your visitor go elsewhere, because these days people are so lazy. Okay, so as a matter of fact, even a 1 second delay in a page loading can decrease your conversion rate by 7%. So that's a huge number. So it's clearly better to make a simple, less complicated, action focused and only one page landing page. Okay, now the second most common mistake that most landing pages have is providing too little information. I have seen a lot of landing pages that only consist of a sign up form, company's logo and a name, and little bit of graphic and hardly any information about the product or services that the page is supposed to promote. Well, if you think only putting a sign up form is enough for your visitor to actually sign it up, you are totally wrong. Because think of yourself, putting yourself at the customer or your consumer place. Will you instantly give some anonymous person your email address or other details without knowing what they have for you in return? Or will you buy something instantly without knowing the full offer? Your answer must be no, right? Well, the same goes with your prospect. They will not accept your offer or will not sign up for your email list until you don't have something they find valuable. Therefore, always make sure to provide enough information about your offer or what your audience is going to get if they sign up for your services or email. Okay, and you can provide this information on your landing page in any form, like writing, photos, or even videos. In fact, using videos on a landing page can also increase conversion. Okay, and now let's see the third common mistake, which is providing too much information. Yes, you heard it right. We just discussed how giving too little information on a landing page can be harmful to your conversion. So can be providing the visitor with too much information at once. I mean, placing a whole long in paragraph on a landing page can take ages to read. Doesn't look inviting to the visitor. Instead, you can provide the information that is actually necessary for the visitor to know in brief bulleted points. Okay, also keep in mind to keep it short, simple and easily understandable. And do you know, sometimes newbie put more than one offer on the same page, thinking they are saving a lot of money and time, and they are like, oh, now I don't have to create a different page for this particular campaign. Well, that's where you are wrong, my friend, because according to the stats, putting multiple offer on a landing page can reduce your conversion by 266%. I mean, like you are gonna lose each and everything. Okay, and I'm sure you don't want to make that happen. So just give adequate amount of information about one offer on one page. Okay, I hope that is clear so far. Now let's head to the fourth issue that a lot of landing pages have, which is complicated design. In efforts of making the page look good and appealing, most marketers make the mistakes of overdoing with the designing part. Well, in my opinion, simplicity is the best. So try to make a page look simple yet elegant and professional, as sometimes putting too many design block or content can distract your visitors and hide the main offer or sign up form. And after, what's the purpose of landing page if it's not promoting your product or your sign up form, right? And now the last and the most silly mistake that you should avoid in your landing page is missing what the audience want. And I have seen this mistake even in some well designed pages where the marketers forget what the audience primarily want from their landing page and instead give them what they think the audience would really like, sometimes which actually go completely wrong. For example, I deal in the make money online niche. So now imagine, will I be able to convert if I only provide daily course to my visitor when they actually sign up? Okay, I don't think so, right? So I mean, if someone has come to my website, they might be looking for some information about my 3 courses that I have on there. It's on solo ads, or maybe might be seeking some technical help, or they might be looking to read some blogs about me or the content that I have written on my blog. So they may not like signing up for daily journal course because they actually want me to help them for their technical help, or maybe for learning about solo ads, right? So these were the 5 most common mistakes of a landing page that you should never make, or else you might lose all of your conversions and hence a lot of capital. But hold on a second, because as I promised, I have a pro tip for you before I end this video, which is don't forget to make your landing page mobile compatible, or you can say mobile optimized, because as you might know that most of the web traffic is on mobile these days and only half of the landing page are optimized for the mobile. And if you won't make it mobile optimized, then you will be losing a significant amount of traffic, as of now like 53 to 55%. So keep this point in your mind and always make a mobile optimized landing pages. With this, we have come to the end of this video, and your thought would be really appreciated in the comment section. And at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group right now. Link is already mentioned in the description box below. Join it right now, and I'm looking forward to engaging with you in this group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video so far. Cheers. Bye bye.